The attire for handling the Combi oven follows typical food service guidelines. So no nail polish or fake nails. Make sure you put a clean apron on when you come into the kitchen. If you leave to use the restroom, make sure you put a clean one on when you come in. And definitely clean it if it ever becomes soiled. Make sure your clothing is neat and clean. You have long pants on and long sleeves. And make sure you have loose clothing on. Make sure you have slip-resistant shoes, as well as closed-toed shoes. No sandals or flip-flops are allowed. And make sure you remove all jewelry except for one plain wedding band is allowed. Combi ovens balance humidity, convection capabilities, and steam by combining hot air with heated steam. These units move air around all sides of the product being cooked and give food service operators the ability to control moisture levels. Unlike convection ovens, these units can introduce moisture, which not only balances humidity in the oven, but also increases product yield. Most premium Combi ovens feature insulation that's thicker than what's found in the typical convection oven, and shut the heating element off once they reach the proper temperature. This provides heat only on demand versus a convection oven, which provides continual heat throughout the cooking process.
Talking about how to use the Combi oven. The first thing you can do right here, this is the control panel. The on button is right here. Turns on. This is your central dial. It can control the temperature, the core temperature, and the time. So here we're going to do the temperature to, let's say, 106. Then we go on to the time. So what you want to do with the time, if your recipe calls for 30 minutes, you always want to put a little bit more, so we'll put 35 for this one. This is for IQT, and this is for program starting, as in when you're doing cleaning cycles. Here's the cool down button. Here is your insulated door handle, the double glass window. Automatically, when you open the door, the machine will turn off. Here is your probe. The probe is to check meat, for example, to check if it's cooked at the right temperature. The fan is right here, and that one is for convection. And then we have our drainage and the one that goes down where the water is drained for the steam function.
Alright, so today I'm going to demonstrate steaming in the Combi oven, but first I'm going to talk about a little bit background about steaming. So steaming is basically just continuously boiling water. That water is going to turn into steam, which circulates around the oven, which cooks the food. And basically there are a lot of advantages of steaming over dry heating. Alright, so one of the advantages of steaming over dry cooking methods, such as grilling or barbecuing, is that in dry heating methods, it traps the fat and the oil inside the meat, such as the chicken, lamb, beef, etc. While steaming, it causes the fat and the oil to drip off, and it's a lot leaner, it's a lot healthier cut of meat. Also, steaming enhances the nutritional content. It keeps the fiber and it keeps the color very rich. And the last advantage of using steaming is that it's a quick and easy cleanup, and it doesn't require a lot of time. So basically, the first step to using the Combi oven steaming is just press this button on the right to turn it on. So basically this blue button represents the steam, and the optimal temperature for steaming is 212 degrees. It's 212 degrees because that's the temperature that water boils. I don't know why I was doing that. So after you open this door, you gotta stand on the opposite side of the door so the steam won't potentially burn you. And first, after that, you gotta take out this rack inside. Take out this rack. Set it down, and then you gotta get your perforated pan. Grab your vegetables. Just throw them in here. And then just slide it into the rack. Close it. So now that the door is closed, you just wait however many minutes it is until your food is done cooking. After that, again, standing on the opposite side of the insulated door handle so the steam won't come out and potentially burn you. Wait for a couple seconds and just take out your food. Yeah, that's basically it.
We're going to be baking today. The first step is to turn on the Combi oven. We're going to select the red button right here. That's for dry. And the temperature is going to be 320, which is standard. Here we have our nice piece of bread. Right here. And we will put our rack inside. The oven will work with convection with the fan in here, and it should be ready in a few minutes.
Okay, last but not least, we're going to start with the cleaning cycle. You want to make sure that the Combi oven is on. So as you can see, it's on right here. If the temperature, which should be listed right here, if it's over 100 degrees Celsius, you want to reduce it to anywhere below 80 degrees Celsius. And it's really important to clean the oven daily after you use it. If not, you're just going to get a bunch of stuff growing and all that. So there's two methods of cleaning. So what we want to do here is open the oven. It's on, but it should not be hot. There's a brush right here. You can spray manually to clean it. But the cooler function is the Clean Jet arm attachment, which I'll show you how to add. Thank you. So there's two latches on the bottom here. And you want to make sure they line up. Until you hear a click in place. Okay. So once the arm is added, the Combi oven automatically turns onto Clean Jet mode, as you can see here. And you can adjust which cycle you want. This is quick, but there are 5 different steps to choose from, as you can see here. But we're going to do the quick cycle for now, and then all you want to do is press start right here. Since we just did the quick cleaning cycle, it should take about 20 minutes. So after that's done, you want to go in and detach the arm here. And you just want to press down on the red lever here. It should come right out. Then all you have to do is turn off your Combi oven and shut the door, and you're good to go.